Hey guys, so this is a video showcasing a new program that I've been working on, and this program acts as a way for you to be able to create ROBLOX textures without having to use transparent images or layering or using the contrast setting in Photoshop. And I'll show you a comparison between using a transparent version and using this program. So this program is very simple. When you start it up, you will get something like this to enter a path, and it will save it to a .ini file. And so when you open the program again, you can just immediately get to work, and you can obviously change it by typing in path or p and entering the new path. But if we type in star or just s, we will create a new texture, and it creates all the types of textures available in modern day Roblox. And this can actually be modified to do it for old Roblox as well, using a program which I've created, but I need to secure on GitHub because I haven't uploaded it yet. So let's do yellow, shall we? So yellow. So now alpha value 100. We want it to be fully opaque. Intensity, let's do 1. So the intensity shows how much contrast there is on the studs going away from the image. So if we do 1, it gives us our output, and it tells us a question. If it looks good, type E to exit back to the main menu. If it looks bad, type B back to change the intensity. So we typed in 1, and it looks a bit too little contrasted, so let's type in 2 instead. Okay, that looks really contrasted. Let's go back and type in 1.5. Still, I mean, actually that looks pretty okay, but I'm going to do 1.25. And yeah, that looks alright. That's not too contrasted. So I will actually show you compared to the transparent image. So this is the stud texture that's actually used in the program. The way it works is that essentially even if a pixel is transparent, aka its alpha value is 0 or below 255, it still retains a color. So essentially it's checking each color of the pixel, and if it's higher than 127, then it basically applies brightness to the pixel that was supposed to be there, and if it's lower, then it applies darkness. And we can't use this image for making studs, because I will show you why. So you can see the grey is appearing. That is because my program, it sees the grey and it sees it lighter than 127 and converts it to a whiter version of the yellow. But transparency, you're just laying the grey pixels on top of the yellow ones, and that just creates grey pixels. So essentially it's just using a map to determine how bright and dark the pixels are, which probably I should have known before starting work on the program to stop it from becoming super complex. But anyway, sorry for this video going on for so long, but I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you want this program, the link is in the description on the GitHub page, where you can also find the source code. You can download a copy of the solution file, you can edit it, you can build it yourself, you can see how it works, you can modify it if you want. This is a very early program, so there's probably going to be a lot of bugs in it, and in that case I'm sorry. But actually, before I go, I probably should show you the transparency feature. So let's do 27, 42, 53. Let's do an alpha value of 50, and let's do 0.5. So it's a very simple transparency thing where it just changes the transparency, and that's it. So, yeah. Anyway, thank you for watching. I'm sorry for prolonging this video. See ya.